Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Kids, in the earlier classes we have already learned how to trace and write lowercase letters A to Z, and now today we are going to do one exercise of this. So take out your English workbook 2 and open page number 9191. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. Now let's understand what do we have to do in this exercise. Trace the given letters and write the missing letter. So kids, as we can see, some letters and blanks are given over here. So we have to trace the given letters and write the missing letters. Okay, so let's start. Sharp your pencil. This is lowercase letter A and it is already written over here, so we have to trace the given letter. Okay, so put your pencil here and start tracing lowercase letter A. First we will draw small curve like this and then standing line. Lowercase letter A. Now what comes after A? It's B. So here we will write lowercase letter B. So draw standing line very slowly, and from here we will draw small curve. Lowercase letter B. Now letter C is already written over here, so we just trace it. Put your pencil here and draw curve like this. Lowercase letter C. Now what comes after C? It's D. Lowercase letter D. So draw standing line. Now put your pencil here and draw curve like this. Lowercase letter D. Now what comes after D? It's E, and lowercase letter E, it's already written over here, so we just trace the given letter. Okay, slipping line, and from here we will draw small curve like this. Lowercase letter E. Now what comes after E? It's F. So put your pencil here, draw curve, standing line, and small sleeping line over it like this. Lowercase letter F. Now what comes after F? It's G. So draw small curve and then standing line and turn. Lowercase letter G. Now next lowercase letter H. So trace the given letter. Draw a standing line. Moving up with the same line, curve, and again small standing line like this. Lowercase letter H. Now what comes after H? Yes, it's I. So put your pencil here and draw small standing line like this and small dot over it. Lowercase letter I. Next, lowercase letter J. It is already written over here, so we just have to trace lowercase letter J. So put your pencil here and start tracing standing line, turn like this, and small dot over it. Lowercase letter J. Now what comes after J? What comes after J? It's K. Lowercase letter K. So here we will write lowercase letter K. Standing line like this. Now we will draw two small slanting line. Okay, like this. Lowercase letter K. Now our next letter is L. Lowercase letter L. So start tracing lowercase letter L. Draw standing line like this. Lowercase letter L. Now our next letter is lowercase letter M. So we will trace lowercase letter M. Small standing line. Moving up with the same line. Curve. Again small standing line. Moving up with the same line. Curve. And small standing line. Lowercase letter M. Now what comes after M? It's lowercase letter N. So at the blank place we will write lowercase letter N. So put your pencil here, draw standing line, moving up with the same line, turn, standing line, lowercase letter N. Now our next letter is lowercase letter O. So we will trace lowercase letter O. Small curve. Now one more small curve and join them like this. Lowercase letter O. Now what comes after O? It's lowercase letter P. So we will write lowercase letter P. Put your pencil here and draw a standing line like this and curve. Lowercase letter P. Now next letter is lowercase letter Q. It is already written over here. So we will trace lowercase letter Q. Small curve and then standing line, slanting line. Lowercase letter Q. Now kids, come on page number 9 to 92 and parents are requested to mention date and class work here also. So kids, tell me what comes after Q? It's R. So at the blank place we will write lowercase letter R. So put your pencil here, draw a standing line, moving up with the same line and turn. Lowercase letter R. Next lowercase letter S. That is already written over here, so we just have to trace it. Put your pencil here, draw, curve and again curve like this. Lowercase letter S. Now our next letter is lowercase letter T. So we have to trace lowercase letter T. Put your pencil here, draw a standing line, turn and small sleeping line over it like this. Lowercase letter T. Now what comes after T? It's U. Lowercase letter U. So here we will write lowercase letter U. Draw a standing line, turn and one more standing line like this. Lowercase letter U. Now what comes after U? It's V. Lowercase letter V. It is already written over here, so we have to trace lowercase letter V. Put your pencil here, draw slanting line and again slanting line like this. lowercase letter V. Now next, lowercase letter W. What comes after V? It's lowercase letter W. So here we will write lowercase letter W. Slanting line. Again moving up with slanting line. Down with slanting line. And again moving up with slanting line. Lowercase letter W. Now what comes after W? It's X. Lowercase letter X. It is already written over here, so we have to trace lowercase letter X. Put your pencil here. Draw slanting line like this. And again one more slanting line like this. Lowercase letter X. Now our next letter is lowercase letter Y. What comes after X? It's Y. So here we will write lowercase letter Y. So put your pencil here and draw small slanting line and one more slanting line like this. Lowercase letter Y. Now our last letter is lowercase letter Z. Lowercase letter Z is already written over here, so we have to trace lowercase letter Z. Put your pencil here, draw slipping line, slanting line, then slipping line. Lowercase letter Z. So kids, like this you have to complete the pages 91, 91 and 92, 92 in your English workbook 2. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.